and wake up the bugs.
Hold his hand. Good job.
Come on, Red Girl.
Go put your picture up.
Oh, he was already.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, Red. Just give him a 5 for now. Thank you.
Wake up, warm up. Wake up, warm up. Wake up, warm up. That's the way to start the day.
When I wake up in the morning, I'm a sleepyhead. I find it pretty hard to get me out of bed. But I peek through the covers, open my eyes, and I find a big surprise.
When I wake up, warm up. Clap my hands. Wake up, warm up. Clap my hands. Come on and wake up, warm up. Clap my hands. That's the way to start the day.
I take a deep breath, reach to the sky,
When your tippy toes
stretching,
is tight.
stretching way up high. It feels great, just wait and see. Why don't you try it with me?
Come on and wake up, warm up. Clap your hands. Wake up, warm up. Clap your hands. Come on and wake up, warm up. Clap your hands. That's the way to start the day. That's the way to start the day.
Oh, my.
Let's see what you remember from yesterday. Oh, the grand old Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top.